So GBPCAD. So we are in a zone. So the best thing to do when you're in the zone is to wait for it to break out the zone. And you can't trade within the zone because it's a wide enough zone where you would think like, oh, maybe I can just catch a trade within the zone because we caught some trades within the zone last week. Actually, this was a trade that we could have caught last week within the zone because you have a head and shoulders here, and it broke the neckline, retested the neckline, and then continued down. Like, oh my gosh, that's beautiful, to be honest with you. And you can think like, hey, I can have a daily fib level here and come back at this level. Computer moving super slow. So you can think that you can come back at this level to go short, but the thing that you have to remember when you're drawing fibs, you need, like, if I'm going to go bearish, so before I can know that I can draw my bearish fib, like I need a bullish candle. I need some kind of green candle to let me know that this is slowed down, or it has stopped. The bearish momentum has stopped, and it's about time for it to reverse. So if I'm still having just straight bearish candles, then I cannot draw a fib. So this is not a valid fib level. So the only thing you can really do in this situation is just wait for price to tell you what it's going to do. And the best thing that we can see right now is just wait for it to break below the level, retest it, and go short. Like, that's all you can do. Just sit on your hands until it shows itself. Because if not, you're just going to make up things in your head and you're going to lose money. Like, that's it.